All right, so before I put the big brace and my cross pieces back on, I'm gonna go ahead and change the transmission fluid since we are at this stage and everything is really easy to get to. This is the drain plug down here. It's a 10mm hex. Fill plug is right up here. It's also a 10mm hex right next to our axle here. I bought this stuff for the 911, haven't used it yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it on this. You need GL5. This works for 4 or 5, a 75W90 full synthetic gear oil. It's supposed to take about 3 liters. You always wanna crack open the fill plug first because if for some reason it strips or you can't get it open, you will not be able to refill it. And if you empty it first, then that's bad news. So just have something here ready to catch spilling fluids. And all right, go ahead and loosen. All right, as I remove this, we'll probably get some spill out. Oh, maybe not. All right, so I broke loose the drain plug. Just gonna go ahead and get this draining. Do a little hiya. Ooh, yeah, it's nice and dark. It's ready for a change. All right, I was surprised to find that neither plug, the fill or the drain, have an actual crush washer on them. So it's just the plugs themselves. Once it stops draining, I just snugged that back up, cleaned up around it a little bit. We will torque them both to final value at the very end. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling through the fill hole now until fluid starts coming out. You can either use a manual pump to do this, or these actually have a built-in fill spout when you open it up. Look at that. It's gonna allow me to stick it straight up here and start squeezing it in. There's just enough room to wedge it right up here and get it going in. Squeeze it, fill it up. All right, right at 3 quarts, we're getting it to start overflow a tiny bit, so we are good. All right, the fill plug is back in. Clean up our drippings. All right, we're going to 40 Newton meters, and that is also 30 foot-pounds. And don't forget the fill plug, little witness marked. They are all torqued up. And because I'm always curious, I'm gonna go ahead and measure how much we took out. So I only got about 2.5 liters out of this thing. So it was low and really dirty. So glad I changed it. I'll put a link to these down in the description if you're interested in buying one, doing it yourself, or it's a really easy job. Please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video.